Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. This is day two of how you can start digital marketing today and start making money. Now, I know that sounds easy. The title of this video sounds easy, but I'm going to tell you step by step how to get started. So, digital marketing is promoting a digital product, a guide, a course, an ebook, a checklist, anything online that you can modify or edit and send to people. Okay. It's not a physical product, which is a laptop, a mouse, a pen, a notebook. Okay. The physical products have a lower profit margin. Digital products are where it's at. Why? Because you create them one time and sell them and you make more profit. If you create and sell your own digital product, you make 100% of the profit. If you're an affiliate for another course or product, you make a percentage. And I'm going to get into that in a second. So, the course that I promote here is Create Faceless Wealth. And we're going to get into the course and how you can get started. Um, and I'm going to walk you through this. These are things people, big affiliate marketers, don't tell you. Okay. So I started Create Faceless Wealth August 30th. Okay. I jumped in. It's 487. Okay. I started on a payment plan. The reason that people want to get into digital marketing is they want to get out of the space that they're in. They don't want to work a 9 to 5. They want to stop living paycheck to paycheck. They want to go on vacation. Okay. So I started digital marketing and started on a payment plan. And what I started doing, now listen, before I lose you, I found a mentor on TikTok Live, okay, that was selling this exact course. And she told me that she made $20,000 in 4 months. And I was hooked. Okay. So the number one thing you need to do is find a product that resonates with you. I liked Create Faceless Wealth because I could learn how to either create a digital product or just sell any digital product I wanted. And I want to sell a digital product because I want to make money. I don't want to create one right now, but I can down the road. This is the program for you. Number two, you need a mentor that's going to be there for you. And I'm going to break down the step by step that you need to take if you want to start selling your digital products fast. Okay. So if you follow my formula, you're going to be able to make sales. I guarantee it. Also, if you're interested in any of the things I'm talking about throughout this video, they will be in the description. So this is the back office of the program that I promote called Create Faceless Wealth. And you see here, it says 6 sales by day 17. New meme content style. $826 in an hour. Need help with payment plan. If you guys have any problems and you want to post in this group, when you purchase with me and the link in the description, you can do that. And what's cool about this is the owner and creator of this course, Nancy, personally writes you back on all of your questions. How many course creators can you say do that? Take time out of their day to respond individually to each question. If you want a mentor, usually they charge $2,000. Nobody has that kind of money these days. Okay. So there's this group and you have the support and you can post anything that you're having issues with. Okay. So it's great that there's a community that's really able to help you. Okay. Newbie here, month 2. Long time listener, first time caller. It tells you the 5x7 rule, the colors in your Instagram stories. They have power hour. let me see. For sale. People are making money, guys. See this? There's 4.3K people in this community, 45 online right now, and 2 admins available. Okay, so we're going to get into the classroom. What you can learn from Create Faceless Wealth. You do your introduction module. Guys, if you can listen to 5 to 10 minute YouTube videos just like this and follow along with the steps, step by step, you can set up your business today. Okay? You can earn while you learn. And that's what I love about Create Faceless Wealth. It teaches you step by step by step how to do it. You know? I love that we have that. I wanted something that was ABC and I could get started and not feel lost. Here's the module Fast Track to Selling Create Faceless Wealth. All of these videos that you can watch. If you want to set up in Stan Store, if you want to set up in Beacons, if you want to use System.io, if you want to use other platforms, here's all your marketing material. Okay? And I want to show you this too. Going through this course, it teaches you the basics. It gives you an AI tool called BossBot that you can get all your hooks and captions and hashtags for your content. Guys, this course is changing the game. Faceless. You see what I'm doing now. We're going to get into how you're going to sell this course. Okay? We're going to get into how you're going to make your first sale. Understanding digital product. You have to have a purpose. Why are you trying to sell your product? Why did you start digital marketing? You have to have a purpose. Creating digital products with Canva. If that's something you want to do, you can do it. Building your brand, designing a Canva website, designing a sales page. And then we get into Faceless on Instagram. I have a Faceless Instagram, guys. I post on there every single morning and it takes me 15 minutes. We're going to get into that in a few minutes. Content planning. It teaches you how to plan out your content. What your content strategy should be. Insta Story Success System. Did you know that you use your Instagram stories to sell? Did you know that you post Instagram Reels to get eyes on your page, but you use your Instagram stories to sell? Yes, that's what I said. Post Reels to get eyes on your page, and people watch your story and buy your product. Branding and design. The trust factor. You need to build the like, know, and trust. That's why I'm doing this YouTube video. So you guys can hear my voice, know that it's not fake, and see a walkthrough of this course before you buy it. Magnetic copy and sales messaging. The buyer's journey. DM mastery. How you sell to people in your direct messages. The trust funnel. How you offer a freebie. How you grow your Instagram. How you expand your reach. How you do trial reels. How to make your content aesthetic. Now, I want to show you something in this module. We do not have to worry about creating our own content. Okay? You don't have to worry about recording videos. Okay? Because we have what's called content banks. Okay? And these content banks will help you create your backgrounds. And then all you have to do is put text on the screen. Okay? If you want to film faceless content, if you want to start a Threads account, if you want to start a Pinterest, if you want to use AI and faceless, if you want to create a Threads quote page to sell your product, then you can go to the members, the leaderboards, the calendar, what's on the calendar for this month. Okay. I want to break down for you now what my content strategy is every single day and how you can copy this same strategy to get where you want to be, to make 2 sales a day. Yes, I'm promoting Create Faceless Wealth. You can find it in the link in the description. It's $487. You can get started today for $43, the price of Chipotle. Okay? Everyone gets started these days on a payment plan. Why? Because they don't have the $500 or the $487 to cough up for a course. Okay? So number 1, you need a good course. Number 2, you need a good mentor. I want to be your mentor. When you join with me and buy the course in my description, I get notified. I will be your mentor for step by step. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to pick a social media platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, YouTube, whatever it is. Pick a platform. Okay. Now, my experience and what I do is different than what you do, but I'm going to tell you what I do. So I created a new TikTok and I post 2 TikToks a day and I add them to my story. Okay. I also do 1 TikTok live a day on that account. I also started a new Instagram. Okay. I post 2 reels a day and 5 to 6 story bubbles. Okay. Now, when you go through Create Faceless Wealth, it's going to tell you how to do all that and set it up and optimize your bio and everything like that. And then I've decided to take you guys on the journey, and this is day 2 of promoting Create Faceless Wealth and how you can do it too. Not how I'm just making a sale, but how you can do it. And the reason that I do YouTube and TikTok live, and I've started Instagram, but the reason I do these 2 platforms is because I'm building the like, know, and trust factor. People buy from people they trust. On Instagram, you're faceless, so you don't know who's behind that account. But on YouTube, you can hear my voice. I'm a real person. And you can duplicate this if you try. So my daily checklist for my business is create 2 Instagram reels and 5 to 6 story bubbles in the first 15 minutes while I'm drinking my coffee. It's not hard. You go into Content Bakes and you go to BossBot and you get your viral hook and your caption and your hashtags. Okay? You don't have to create content yourself. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Number 2, I post 2 TikToks and share them to my story, and I use the same formula. Okay? Number 3, I do a YouTube video. And then later in the day, about 1:30 or 2, maybe 1 o'clock, depending on my day and what I have going on, I do a TikTok live. Why? Because people like to see, know, and trust you. Okay? So that's my content strategy. And I do these YouTube videos. You guys can start digital marketing today. I don't care what course you promote. Find a course that works for you. All right? So what we've covered today is Create Faceless Wealth, my content strategy, and how you can get started. And I'm going to be back tomorrow with day 3, teaching you step by step how you can start digital marketing today. Okay? And I'm going to show up every day. Do I have any subscribers? Do I have any views? Do I have any likes? Do I have any comments? No, but that's okay. The thing that when I started this 5 years ago and I did my first digital marketing course, I wasn't consistent with content. And that's where I fell off. You're going to show up every day, no matter if you've got followers or subscribers or likes or comments. Show up every day, because what's going to happen is the snowball effect. The algorithm is going to pick up your content because you're consistent. Okay? And that's where I dropped off the first time. I wasn't consistent with content. But this time I'm all in and I'm taking you guys with me. So if you're interested in starting digital marketing today and making those 500, $1,000 days, $2,000 days, this is where it's at. My mentor made $20,000 in 4 months. Why can't you? I watched her on a live TikTok make $800. When you sell Create Faceless Wealth, you make $413 on one sale. You can do this. It's called mid-ticket affiliate marketing. Okay. And I want to show you that it's possible. You can do it. So if you're interested in getting started, click the link in my Stan Store. I have a free digital marketing guide. I have a free sneak peek to Create Faceless Wealth. And if you want to jump in, there's payment plans available for $43 today. Start this digital marketing journey, guys. You can do it. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.